All right, well, first off, hello everyone. I'm very sorry that I'm not there currently. I miss you all and I miss the kids. And it's sad, with all the end of the year fun festivities. But anyway, just to leave you with one more thing. August 4th, when we come back, our PD session, we need you guys to sign up, and you'll notice that we are part of Quad 13. So you'll hear people talking about quads. We're Quad 13. Um, and all that means is that I'm sending you this link to this specific one. So what you'll notice when you get to this link is that you have at the bottom different grade levels. So this is going to be the grade level that you will be teaching next year. All right, so if I'm going to be a third grade teacher next year, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the third grade tab at the bottom. And what you'll notice is that up at the top it says August 4th PD, Quad 13, Grade 3 at Sunrise. So if you are going to be teaching third grade next year, your professional development day will be at Sunrise. And so what you're going to do is you're going to look at the different courses here, and you are going to sign up just by clicking in the box and typing your first and last name. Now we do want these to be collaborative, so if you can sign up with others, that would be beneficial rather than signing up all alone. And we do want you to collaborate across other schools as well. So if you look at this, it's organized basically from like top to bottom is schedule, where the top half is the first half of your day, and then you have lunch from 11 to 12, and then the bottom is the bottom half of your day from that 12 to 3. Excuse me. So pay attention if you're signing up for the larger time block sessions, like 8 to 11, because then you would be running right into lunch. However, if you're over here, you would have to sign up for like an 8 to a 9:30, and then you also need to have that 9:30 to 11 o'clock time filled up. And it kind of mirrors the same thing there on the second half of the day, whether you're getting a full, a 3-hour afternoon session, or if you're breaking it up into 2-hour-and-a-half ones. So just be mindful of signing up for those different courses. So again, please make sure when you get to this, you click on the grade level you're going to be teaching next year. Pay attention to where the location will be. You guys will be going there. And they will be teaching it like a hybrid where the instructor will be virtually sent in. However, you will be there in person collaborating with other schools within our cohort. And this professional development day. All right. Email me if you have any questions. Thank you and miss you all.